Hi guys, I'm back and I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm sick a little bit. So we're just gonna hop right into the unboxing. So what we have here is a user manual. Nobody needs that. Charger. Let's get to the phone. I actually did order blue, but it came in this color blue. Yeah, I will not be turning it on right now. Got a few scrapes on it. I think it's because of shipping. It took actually like 2 weeks to come. I will be doing another video of me riding it and doing some like cool stuff. So yeah.